Welcome back, lovely crafters. Today we're making this adorable mini rose bag, perfect for holding small items or gifting as a cute surprise. Whether you're new to crochet or already experienced, this pattern is beginner friendly and super fun to make. So grab your yarn, hook, and let's crochet together. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you never miss another cozy tutorial. For the body of the bag, we'll start with a foundation chain. Step, chain 23. Now skip 2 stitches, then do 6 double crochet into the next stitch. Continue with 19 double crochet, then do 6 double crochet in the last stitch. Then go back with 19 double crochet on the other side and slip stitch to join. You're doing great. Keep your tension even and relaxed for a neat shape. For round 1 of the mesh sides, let's begin with 6 repeats of 1 double crochet increase in 1 chain stitch. That's DC ink, C, chi, X6. Nice work. These increases will help shape the sides evenly. For round 2, repeat 6 times, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase, and 1 chain. So, DC, DC ink, CHX6. You're building a lovely texture. Keep going. Let's move to round 3 now. Repeat 6 times. 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet increase, and 1 chain. 2 DC, DC ink, C, CH8, X, 6. Tip, count out loud if it helps you stay on track. Now round 4, repeat 6 times, 3 DC, DC ink, C, or 3DC, DC ink, CHX6. Wow, your bag is really taking shape. Round 5 follows a similar pattern. Repeat 6 times 4DC, DC ink, SH, 4DC, DC ink, SH, X6. This will give our bag a nice rounded depth. For round 6, create a mesh lace pattern. Repeat 12 times, single crochet, chain 4, skip 2 stitches, SC, CH4, SK2, X12. Make sure to skip the correct stitches so the holes are even. In round 7, repeat this, SC, CH4, then repeat that again, then slip stitch, CH3 and CC. This creates a floral mesh edge for decoration. So elegant, almost like little petals forming. Now let's make the mini roses to decorate the bag. Start with a chain of 9. Skip 2 stitches, then do 7 half double crochet. Finish with 2 chains and slip stitch to fasten. Repeat this as many times as you want. These are the roses. Each one brings a touch of charm to your bag. Finally, for the handles, chain 25. Then turn and single crochet back with 25xc. Attach each handle to the sides of your bag using your yarn needle or slip stitches. Well done. That's the finishing touch for your mini masterpiece. And there you have it. Your mini rose bag is complete. Take a moment to admire your beautiful work. You've earned it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more cozy crochet content. Until next time, happy crocheting and keep spreading handmade love.